Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting details of the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Recently, a proven leaker has clarified the design of this upcoming flagship, and we can't wait to share the insights with you. The Galaxy S25 Ultra promises to bring some intriguing design changes and impressive camera upgrades. Let's explore what makes this device stand out in a crowded smartphone market. The design of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has been clarified by a proven leaker, and it's generating a lot of buzz. The camera design is inspired by the Galaxy Z Fold 6, featuring a thick dark ring around each individual camera lens. This distinctive look sets it apart from previous models. While the layout of the cameras remains the same, the Galaxy S25 Ultra introduces rounded corners, promising improved ergonomics and a more comfortable grip. These design tweaks not only enhance the phone's aesthetics, but also its usability. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to impress with its advanced camera system. At the forefront is a powerful 200-megapixel main camera designed to capture stunningly detailed photos. Complementing this is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, perfect for expansive landscape shots and group photos. Additionally, the device features a 10-megapixel telephoto camera for those close-up shots and a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto camera, offering incredible zoom capabilities. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra doesn't just boast impressive camera specifications, it also features advanced sensor technology. The main camera and the 5x telephoto camera will reuse the same high-quality sensors as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, ensuring consistent and reliable performance. However, the ultra-wide camera is getting a significant upgrade with the new 50-megapixel ISO Cell-Gen3 sensor. This enhancement promises better image quality, improved low-light performance, and more vibrant colors, making your photos look even more stunning. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to make a significant impact on the smartphone market with several noteworthy design and camera upgrades. Inspired by the Galaxy Z Fold 6, it features a distinctive design with thick, dark rings around its cameras and rounded corners for improved ergonomics, making it both eye-catching and comfortable to hold. This design shift differentiates it from previous Galaxy S models. The camera system is one of the phone's standout features. At its core is a powerful 200-megapixel main sensor delivering exceptionally detailed images. This is complemented by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera upgraded with a new ISO Cell-Gen3 sensor, which enhances the quality of wide-angle shots. Additionally, the S25 Ultra includes two telephoto cameras, a 10-megapixel standard telephoto lens, and a second 50-megapixel 5x telephoto camera for impressive zoom capabilities. The combination of these high-end sensors, including the reuse of some from the Galaxy S24 Ultra, ensures that the device will offer some of the best photo and video quality in its class. This thoughtful balance of design, innovation, and camera prowess positions the Galaxy S25 Ultra as a top contender for users seeking a premium smartphone experience. With advanced imaging and improved ergonomics, it offers a significant upgrade from its predecessors, blending cutting-edge technology with practical design elements to create a standout device. Stay tuned for more updates on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching.